Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Google Authenticator? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your App Store and then or Play Store, and then simply go ahead and search for Google Authenticator on any device, whether it is an Android or an iOS. Once you've done that, simply download and install this application right over here and click on open. Now, as you can see, I've already logged in with my Google account. However, it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account. Simply go ahead and log in. And now there's going to be this plus icon which says scan a QR code or enter a setup key. So when you click on enter a setup key, it's going to ask you the account name, the key, and then the time of a type of key. So what this is when you simply go ahead and head into any account that you want to set up 2FA in, that it's going to have a Google Authenticator option. And when you click on that, either it's going to give you a QR or the key. So you can simply go ahead and enter there. Or if you get a QR, simply click on scan a QR and then scan it like this. It is as simple as that. Now your Google Authenticator will be set up with your accounts just like this, and you can use these codes whenever you want. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll